First up, we're in the living room. This is where we often need to tidy up. Tidy up means to clean and organize a space. For example, imagine the living room is messy with books, cushions, and toys everywhere. You could say, "Can you tidy up the living room, please?" To ask someone to put things in their proper places and clean up any mess. Tidy up is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say tidy the living room up or tidy up the living room. Another example is, I need to tidy up my desk before I start working. This means you need to clean and organize your desk to make it neat. Using tidy up helps keep our spaces clean and pleasant. So next time things are a bit messy, remember to use this phrase. Let's talk about another useful phrasal verb, pick up. Pick up means to grab something and lift it. For example, imagine your child has been playing in the living room and left toys all over the place. You could say, "Can you pick up your toys, please?" This means you want the toys to be grabbed and collected. Here, pick up is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say pick your toys up or pick up your toys. Another example is, I need to pick up the clothes from the floor. This means you want to collect the clothes from the floor. Using pick up helps keep our spaces tidy and organized. So next time you see toys scattered around, remember to use this phrase. Now, we're in the kitchen. When you say I'll wash up after dinner, it means you will clean the dishes, utensils, and other items used for preparing food. So, wash up means to clean anything you've used while preparing food. For example, after enjoying a meal, you might have a pile of dirty dishes in the sink. You could say, I'll wash up after dinner, meaning you'll take care of cleaning the dishes. Wash up is an inseparable phrasal verb, which means you can't separate the verb from the object. So you say wash up the dishes or simply wash up. Using wash up keeps your kitchen clean and ready for the next meal. So remember, when you have dirty dishes, just say, I'll wash up. And don't forget to wipe down the counters. Wipe down means cleaning a surface with a cloth or cleaning product. For example, after preparing a meal, someone might say, please wipe down the counters. This means you should clean the counters by removing any crumbs or spills with a cloth. Wipe down is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say wipe the counters down or wipe down the counters. Another example is, he wiped down the table after lunch. This means he cleaned the table with a cloth after eating lunch. Using wipe down helps keep surfaces clean and hygienic. So next time you finish cooking, remember to use this phrase to keep your kitchen tidy. Let's sweep up the dirt. Sweep up means using a broom to collect small pieces of dirt from the floor. After eating slices of bread, you might find crumbs left on the floor, so you could say, I'll sweep up the crumbs after breakfast. This means you'll use a broom to clean up the crumbs from the floor. Sweep up is a separable phrasal verb. You can say sweep the crumbs up or sweep up the crumbs. Another example is, she swept up the broken glass from the kitchen floor. This means she used a broom to clean up the glass shards. Using sweep up helps keep your floors clean and free of dirt. So remember, when there are bits and pieces on the floor, just grab a broom and say, I'll sweep up. Next, let's look at the phrasal verb vacuum up. When you say, I'll vacuum up the carpet, it means you will use a vacuum cleaner to remove dirt, dust, and other small particles from the floor or carpet. Vacuum up is a separable phrasal verb, so you can separate the verb and the particle. You can say vacuum the carpet up or vacuum up the carpet. Another example is, she vacuumed up the whole house. This means she cleaned all the floors in the house with a vacuum cleaner. Using vacuum up helps keep your carpets and floors clean and fresh. So next time you need to clean up dust or dirt, just grab your vacuum and say, I'll vacuum up. Let's explore the phrasal verb put away. Put away means to place something in its original place after using it. When your mother says, please put away your shoes, It means she wants you to place your shoes in their proper storage location. Another example is, he put away the groceries. This means he placed the groceries in their appropriate spots. And if you've finished folding your laundry, your dad might say, please put away your clothes. This means you should take the clothes and place them in your closet or dresser. Put away is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say put the clothes away or put away the clothes. Using put away helps keep your living spaces organized and clutter-free. So next time you finish using something, remember to put it away. If you say I have to take out the trash, it means you want to remove the garbage from the house and place it outside. Take out means to remove something from somewhere. For example, if the trash bin inside the house is full, your mother might say, can you take out the trash? This means you have to remove the garbage from the bin and carry it outside to the outdoor trash bin or curbside. Take out is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say take the trash out or take out the trash. Using take out helps keep your home clean and prevents garbage from piling up. So next time you need to manage the waste, just say, I'll take out the trash. Let's look at the phrasal verb dust off. When someone says, can you dust off the shelves? It means you have to remove the dust from surfaces using a cloth or duster. Dust off means to remove dust. Dust off is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say dust the shelves off or dust off the shelves. Using dust off helps keep surfaces clean and free from dust buildup. So next time you see dust collecting, remember to say, I'll dust off. Let's explore the phrasal verb mop up. To mop up means to clean a liquid mess from a surface using a mop or cloth. For example, when you say, I'll mop up the spill, it means you are going to clean up the liquid that has spilled, such as water or juice, using a mop. Mop up is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say, mop the spill up or mop up the spill. Using mop up helps keep your floors clean and dry. So next time you have a spill, remember to grab a mop and say, I'll mop up. Now, it's time for the quiz. Let's see how well you remember the phrasal verbs we've covered. Fill in the blanks with the correct phrasal verb from the choices provided to describe what is happening in the picture. Fantastic work on the quiz! Make sure to stay connected with our channel for more engaging videos like this one. If you want to dive deeper into phrasal verbs, check out our comprehensive phrasal verbs playlist for more lessons and practice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.